Starting with the name of Allah Almighty, who is the master of the day of judgment, and a bundle of Durud Salam on beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Students, Mathematics Exercise 5B, 6th class subject students and new syllabus Mathematics D1. And question number 10 is, if 1 over A minus 1 over B is equal to 1 over C plus 1 over D, then find C when A is 1 over 2, B is 1 over 4 and D is minus 1 over 5. So students, first of all, formula will be written and the formula is 1 over A minus 1 over B is equal to 1 over C plus 1 over D. We have to find the value of C, and whereas A is 1 over 2, B is 1 over 4 and D is minus 1 over 5. Now students, values are replaced. I mean to say, in place of A we will write 1 over 2, in place of B 1 over 4 will be written, and in place of D minus 1 over 5 is written. So I will write the values as 1 over, the value of A is 1 over 2, so it is written as 1 over 2, minus 1 over B, and the value of B is 1 over 4, so 1 over 4 is written, is equal to 1 over C, the value of C we have to find, so it is written as it is, plus the value of D is minus 1 over 5, so it is written as minus 1 over 5. Students, here I want to explain one thing. If there is denominator in denominators, then that denominator will become numerator as, suppose students, it is written that 1 over 2, this denominator means that it is dividing 1, so it is written as 1 divided by 1 over 2, and you know very well that when there is division in fraction, we have to convert division in multiplication and do the reciprocal after the next fraction. So it is written as 1 multiplied by 2 over 1. In the same way students, this 1 over 2 is dividing 1, and when we change this into multiplication, it will become 2 over 1. So I will write it as 1 multiplied by 2 over 1, as I have explained this in working, that when there is denominator in denominators, then we have to write it in this way, minus 1 multiplied by 4 over 1, as there is denominator in denominator, so I have to write it as 4 over 1, is equal to 1 over C. And students, this plus and this minus both are multiplying, so it will become minus and written as 1 multiplied by 5 over 1. Now students, when this 1 will multiply by 2, we will get 2 over 1, and we need not to write denominator as 1, minus 1 4s are 4 is equal to 1 over C minus 1 5s are 5. Now students, plus 2 minus 4 mean there are two numbers having different signs. So we will subtract smaller number and put the sign of greater. So it will become minus 2, and this 5 is minus on right side. When we transfer it to other side, it will become plus and written as plus 5 is equal to 1 over C. Now students, again there are two numbers on left side, one is negative and other is positive. We will subtract the smaller number from the greater and put the sign of greater, and it will become 3 is equal to 1 over C. C is dividing on left side. When we transfer it to other side, it will multiply and written as C multiplied by 3 or 3 multiplied by C. So we will write C multiplied by 3 is equal to 1, and this 3 is multiplying with C. When we transfer it to other side, it will divide, and the value of C will become 1 over 3 that we have to find. Students, in this question there is only one step that is little bit difficult, and I want to explain it again. If there is in denominators there is again a denominator, then this denominator will multiply with numerator. Or you can simplify it like this: 1 divided by 1 over 2. Because denominator means divisor, so we can write it as 1 divided by 1 over 2, and then we will do reciprocal while changing this division into multiplication, and it is written as 1 multiplied by 2 over 1. Again, it is written as 1 over 4, and we will write it as 1 divided by 1 over 4. And when we change this division into multiplication, we have to do reciprocal, the next fraction, so it is written like this. So just keep in mind the things that are applying here, and then rest of the question is very easy for you people. So the value of C in this question is 1 over 3. Students, 11th question of same exercise is, if n is equal to m over x plus q, then find q when n is equal to 1 whole number 4 over 5 and m is equal to 9 and x is equal to 2. So first we will write the formula, and the formula is n is equal to m over x plus q. Now we will replace the values, and the value of n is 1 whole number 4 over 5. So in place of n, we will write its value, and the value is 1 whole number 4 over 5. So it is written 1 whole number 4 over 5 is equal to, the value of m is 9. So I will write 9 over, the value of x is 2 plus, and the value q we have to find, so q is written as it is. Now students, on the left side there is mixed number 1 whole number 4 over 5. So we will change this mixed number into improper fraction. While changing mixed number into improper fraction, denominator is multiplied with whole number and then numerator will be added. So 5 ones are 5 plus 4 means 9. So it will become 9 over 5 is equal to 9 over 2 plus q. Now students, on both the sides there are single denominator, so we will do BCM. BCM means by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication, that numerator of left side will be multiplied with the denominator of right side, and denominator of left side will be multiplied with the numerator of right side. So we will do BCM by cross multiplication, and we will have 9 into 2 plus q is equal to 5 multiplied by 9. Now students, look on both the sides. 9 is multiplying and 9 is multiplying. So when we transfer this 9 to the side, it will divide. And left over here will be 2 plus q is equal to 5 multiplied by 9 over 9. 9 will be cancelled with 9 because in numerator both the numbers are multiplying and this 9 is dividing. So this 9 and this 9 will be cancelled, and left over will be 2 plus q is equal to 5 ones are 5 over 1, and we need not to write over 1 because it is understood. Now this 2 is plus on left side, when we transfer it to the side it will become minus, and the value of q will be 5 minus 2, and 5 minus 2 mean 3. So the value of q is 3 that we have to find. Students, question number 12 of same exercise is, if C is equal to A over B minus D minus C over F minus D, then find F when A is 3, B is 4, C is minus 6, D is equal to 5 and E is equal to 2. Let me confirm the value of D, and the value of D is minus 5, students. Now first we will write the formula, and the formula is C is equal to A over B minus D minus C over F minus D. Now students, we have to replace the values of all the variables, and f we have to find. So in place of f will be written, but the value of a is 3, so in place of a we will write 3. The value of c is minus 6, so first I will write the value of c, that is minus 6, so it is written as minus 6 is equal to the value of a is student 3, so in place of a I will write 3 over the value of b is 4, so 4 is written minus the value of d is minus 5, so I will write minus 5 minus the value of e is 2, so 2 will be written, and over f we have to find minus d, and the value of d is minus 5, so it is written in bracket because there is minus before d. Now students, first we will simplify all the numbers. So minus 6 is equal to 3 over 4 minus, in numerator students both the numbers are minus, minus 5 and minus 2. When there are two numbers having same sign, we have to sum up both the numbers and put the same sign, so it is written as minus 7 over f. This minus and this minus both are multiplying, so it will become plus 5 and written as plus 5. Now students, if you look at right side, there are two minus are multiplying, so when minus multiply with this minus, it will become plus. So it is written as minus 6 is equal to 3 over 4 plus 7 over f plus 5. Now students, this 3 over 4 will be transferred to left side because these two numbers are like terms. So we will sum up both the numbers by transferring this 3 over 4 from right side to left side, and it is written as minus 6 minus 3 over 4. Put the denominator of 6 as 1 is equal to 7 over f plus 5. Now students, we will take the LCM of the denominators of the left side. There are two denominators 1 and 4, so 4 will be the LCM. When 4 is divided by 1, 4 divided by 1, 1 4s are 4, quotient is 4, and this 4 will be multiplied with minus 6 and we will have minus 24 minus, when 4 is divided by 4, 4 divided by 4 means 1, and when 1 multiplied by 3 we will get 3 is equal to 7 over f plus 5. Now students, we will simplify minus 24 and minus 3, and we will have minus 27 over 4. Minus 27 over 4 is equal to 7 over f plus 5. Now students, on both the sides there are single denominators, so we will do BCM by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication means that this f plus 5 will multiply with minus 27 and 4 and 7 will multiply. So it is written as 7 multiplied by 4 is equal to minus 27 into f plus 5. Now 4 multiplied by 7 means 28 is equal to, students, this 27 will multiply with f and we will have minus 27f. This minus and this plus both are multiplying, so it will become minus. 5 7s are 35, 3 carry, 5 2s are 10 and 3 13, so it will become minus 135. Now students, 27f is minus on right side, when we transfer it to the other side it will become plus, and this 28 is plus on left side, when we transfer it to the other side it will become minus. So students, it will become 27f is equal to minus 135 minus 28, and students 27f will become, there are two numbers on right side, both have same sign, so we will sum up both the numbers. So students, 8 plus 5 mean 13, 1 carry, 2 plus 3 5 and 1 carry 6 and it will become minus 163, and 27 is multiplying with f. When we transfer it to other side it will divide and the value of f will become minus 163 over 27. So f will be, students, now divide 163 by 27. Take the table of 2, not more than 16. So 2 8s are 16, but when we multiply 27 with 8 it will increase because 2 8s are 16, and when 8 multiply with 7, 8 7s are 56. So it will be, the product will be increased to 163. So we will multiply 27 with 7. 7 7s are 49. 4 carries, 7 2s are 14, and 4 18, 189 is greater than 163. So multiply 27 with 6. 6 7s are 42. 4 carries, 6 2s are 12, or 4 12 or 4 16. So 6 27s are 162. Subtract 162 from 163, so it will be 1. The answer of this number 163 over 27 will be 6 whole number minus 6 whole number 1 over 27, and that is the value of f. Friends, 13th question of exercise 5b. If A is equal to B over C minus B, find B when A is 3 and C is 10. So first we will write the formula, and the formula is A is equal to B over C minus B. Now students, we will replace the values of A and C, as B we have to find. So in place of A I will write 3 is equal to B over, the value of C is 10, so it is written 10 minus B. Now students, 10 minus B is dividing on right side. When we transfer it to the side it will multiply with 3 and written as 3 into 10 minus B is equal to B. Now students, multiply this 3 with both the numbers that are written in the bracket. So when 3 multiply with 10 we will get 30. 3 tens are 30, minus when this 3 will multiply by B we will get 3B is equal to B. Now students, this 3B is minus on left side. When we transfer it to the side it will become plus, because like terms are written on the same side. Because we have sum up, we can add only the like terms. So this 3B will be transferred to the side and it will become plus, and on the left side there will be only 30 is equal to B plus 3B. Students, the coefficient of this B is 1. When we sum up B and 3B we will get 4B, and written as 30 is equal to 4B. Now students, 4 is multiplying with B. When we transfer it to the side it will divide, and written as 30 divided by 4 is equal to B. Now students, 30 will be divided by 4. 30 divided by 4. 4 7s are 28. Subtract 28 from 30. I mean to say subtract 8 from 0, and we can't subtract 8 from 0. So we have to take 1 carry from 3 and it will become 10. Now we can subtract 8 from 10 and left over will be 2. And it is written as 7 whole number 2 over 4 is equal to B. 2 and 4, numerator and denominator can be cancelled with the table of 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 7 whole number 1 over 2 is equal to B, or B is equal to 7 whole number 1 over 2, and that is the value of B. Students, it's enough for today. May Allah Almighty bless you all the time. Have a good day.